Hey guys, John Epstein here, RODMAN Epico tool. We're here at the Arizona State Fair demonstrating some of our products. I'd like to first show you our RODMAN Multi-Purpose drill bit out of Germany. Multi-purpose literally means multi-purpose. We will drill through a brake rotor, we will drill through tile, we will drill through tool steel, we will drill through all your masonry products and of course wood. Special cobalt, tungsten carbide, and boron blend. The bit has to be run at a high RPM, 2300 or better. We use a little cutting oil. And we'll get about 20 holes per bit before it needs to be resharpened. And I don't know how many this is, but it's definitely more than 20. Nice clean holes, one after the other. Now the same bit, and again, this is now running at 2100 RPM. We'll go through your tile products, porcelain, ceramic, terracotta, whatever you have, cast iron, and of course all your masonry products, which I like to actually put the hammer drill function on. Now wood's not hard, but it gets hot. The unique thing about my drill bit, not only is the tip, but the shank is made out of chrome vanadium. Same thing as this wrench and most of your nice hand tools, and that gives you flexibility. So not only is the bit tough, but it's flexible. Get super hot, and she's not going to bust like another bit would do. Now, I should not be able to do this, but as you can see, even after getting super hot, the bit will just keep cutting one hole after the other. Now, after about 20 holes or so, you are going to want to put a new edge on it. And we sell a special silicon carbide grinding stone made in Germany. If it was made here, it would be green. The Germans don't dye them. And what we're allowed to do here is just lay the four edges on your grinding wheel like so. It is regular, nothing crazy, just a normal RPM. And that'll allow us to touch the bit up and make it like brand new. And it's just this easy, and I'm not the king of sharp. If I can do it, anybody can. And as you notice, she is sharp and she is ready for more holes. Thanks so much for stopping by, and we'll see you soon.